So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video ay atin pong aalamin ang bagong apps ni BPI. Naka-receive po ako ng text messages from BPI na nagsasabing we're saying goodbye to the BPI mobile app, move to the new BPI app by September 30. And yesterday, nagsasabing one day left to move to the new BPI app, download it na. And also guys, if you're going to open your BPI app, meron ditong notification or reminder na nagsasabing last call to move app. Then you need to download the new BPI app by September 30, 2020. So maybe after September 30 ay they're going to disable na yung old BPI app natin. So that's why we need to transfer na or we need to download the new BPI app para doon na tayo mag-transact ng ating mga transactions. So guys, samahan niyo ako at ating alamin kung anong meron sa bagong BPI app at bakit kailangang mag-move sa new applications at hindi na lang nila in-update or in-upgrade yung old BPI app. So, medyo curious lang po tayo doon. So guys, let us start na para ating ma-compare ang old at new BPI app na ito. Let us go na sa ating screen and then punta po tayo sa ating Play Store. Then, itype po natin yung BPI. So, ayan guys, yung bagong logo ng BPI app. So, click install. So, ayan guys, na po siya nating i-install. Punta muna tayo sa ating screen. So, as you can see guys, ay makikita natin dito ang dalawang BPI app. So, this one is the old BPI app na may name BPI Mobile. And this one is the new BPI na atin pong in-install. So, let us click the new BPI app. So, the BPI app made more exciting. Let us click next. With more ways to send money, click next. And biometrics to secure your account. Keep your account and transaction safe. Let us click next. And also to protect, prevent, and detect. And plus, now you can open an account in minutes. So, get started. So, guys, as you can see, ay meron tayo ditong option sa pag-login. So, if wala pa po kayong app or hindi pa kayo nakakapag-register kahit sa mobile app or kahit sa online app ng BPI, ay dito po kayo sa new to the app and register now. But if you already have the account ng BPI, ay i-click nyo lang po itong login. So, in my case, dahil meron na po tayong account sa BPI online, so I'm going to click the login na lang. So, let us click. So, upon clicking, ay ito po yung lalabas. So, you need to provide the username and also the password of your BPI online account. So, guys, i-type lang po natin yung username natin and also the password. Let us click login. So guys, we need to register our device for the security and convenience of using the application. So let us click begin. So guys, we need to proceed with the device registration and make it sure lang po na yung SIM card na naka-insert sa ating device ay meron po sa number na gagamitin natin sa pang-verify. So let us click continue. Is this your mobile number? So, let us click yes, this is my number. So, guys, the next step is they're going to verify your device. So, let us click send SMS. So, let us click allow. Then, allow. And next one is we're going to select your SIM. So, click OK. So, ayan guys, verifying na po siya. I-wait lang po natin. So, ayan guys, may nag-pop up na device registration successful. And also, naka-receive na din tayo ng text message na you have linked the device na. So, ayan guys, successful na ang ating pag-registered ng device. So, let us click go to my accounts. So guys, this is our new BPI app. So as you can see, if meron po kayong old BPI app, ay magkalayo talaga ang format niya. So ibang-iba talaga. So this is the old BPI app. So as you can see guys, ay malayo talaga sa bagong BPI app. I really like the new BPI app kasi for me, it's very convenient na gamitin sa pag-transact natin compare sa old BPI app. And also, this new BPI app is parang katulad ng GCash na makikita natin yung mga pwede nating i-access sa baba. So, madali lang siyang i-access. So, let us explore na. So guys, as you can see dito sa bandang ibaba ay may makikita tayong mga options like my accounts, transfer, payload, and invest. So let us try to click the transfer. To transfer our money ay meron po tayo ditong options if saan po natin ito i-transfer. So the first one is to own account, second to another BPI account, and the last one is to another bank. Let us click the to another bank. So, this one ay ganito po yung way nila sa pag-transfer ng ating money. So, transfer from, transfer to, and also you put the amount. And of course, sa transfer to ay makikita natin yung mga bangko na pwede nating pag-transferan. So, nandyan po lahat. So, hanapin lang po natin. So, ayan, meron tayong InstaPay and also the PesoNet. So, let us try to click on account. So, no eligible po and to another BPI account. So, ganun lang din po. I-type lang natin kung saan natin ito i-transfer. So, the next one is pay or load. So, in this part ay pwede tayo ditong magbayad ng bills and also to buy loads. So, ganyan lang po guys. So, atin naman pong i-try yung invest. So, if ever na nag-invest kayo sa BPI ay makikita nyo dito yung mga data or yung amount. Since hindi naman ako nag-invest sa BPI, so no eligible account found po. So, let us click the more. So, in this part ay makikita natin dito yung general settings, the card management, and also some services, products. So, feel free to explore lang po. Let us go back sa my account. So, i-click lang po natin to guys para makita natin ang transaction of history natin. So, or history of transaction natin. So, ayan guys, scroll up lang natin and yun, nakasave pa rin yung mga transactions natin. If you want to activate the biometrics or yung fingerprint sa pag-login, ay click lang po natin yung more. Then, hanapin lang po natin yung security and makikita po natin doon yung biometrics login. So guys, dapat nakakulay green yung biometrics login natin para ma-sure natin na na-activate natin siya. And anytime, pwede nyo lang siyang i-deactivate if hindi nyo na gusto. So guys, that's all for today's video and I hope ay nakalipat na kayo sa bago nating BPI app. So for me, it's important na makalipat ako sa bagong apps nila kasi BPI po yung ginagamit ko na bank account sa pagsahod kay YouTube. So that's why guys, if possible ay lumipat na din kayo sa bagong apps. So once again guys, thank you so much for always watching and supporting our video and see you again in our next vlog. So bye bye and God bless.